All right. Well, happy Friday. I hope you've been playing games all week. I hope that you've had a chance to see these games that I've curated. I wonder which ones you would choose as good games for learning and for fun. So right now, I'm going to show you the last game for Friday. It's this pretty simple game. It comes to us from our friends at mathplayground.com. Lots of games there if you're interested. Not just goof around games. This one, though, I think I needed to teach you a little bit because it took me a long time to figure it out, even though I'd read about this game. It has some things to do with what we've talked about. So let me just, let's hang on here. That's me. I'm on level 13 so far. I'm going to go back to the start, though. Sorry. Level 1. Let me turn the music off. Even though it is kind of cool, isn't it? It's relaxing. I'll show you the instructions first. It's a good place to start. Clear the board of numbered hexagons by moving them into the portal. So these are numbered hexagons, 1 and 2. That's pretty easy. Let me just move the 1 into the portal. It's gone, and that's what you got to do. But it gets a little more complex. To move hexagons, combine two even or two odd numbers to create the average value. So we learned about mean. We talked about that earlier. The average value, only hexagons that are adjacent, that means next door to each other, to the black portal can be moved inside. So the instructions sound simple, but they're a little bit harder than that. Don't worry about this number. This is just the level we're on here. So I drag the 1 in there. I can drag the 2 into the portal, and its board is cleared. So that's pretty cool. This lets me go back and see what I just did. Um, Sorry, I shouldn't have done that. More levels. Sorry. Let's get out of here. And this lets me do level 2. So the first one, they tell you what to do. I could just drag the 6 right in there and the 5 right in there, but that would leave me with the 4. So if I add 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So I could actually combine these numbers if I wanted to, but why would I? They're right next door to the portal. I can get rid of them. Ready to get a little more difficult? Okay, let's try. So they show us this a plus b. That means one number plus another. It doesn't really matter. Divided by 2, that gives this the average because I can only ever add two numbers together. So I'm going to say two oranges, two odds together. 1 plus 3 makes 4. And so the average of 3 and 1 is 2. And I can add the average of 2 and 2 is 2 plus 2 is 4. Divided by 2 is going to be 2 again. The same thing here. I can't add this 7 to the 4 because 7 is odd and 4 is even. But I can add an odd number to an odd number. 7 plus 1 is 8. So the 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. And 8 divided by 2 is 4 again. So now I've got these. And this is the last one I'm going to show you. Um, it gets more difficult. It gets more fun. I encourage you to oh my. So remember, you can only add the greens to the greens, the evens to the evens, and the odds to the odds. So I like this game because you have to strategize a little bit and because you get really quick at learning to find um, averages in your head. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Um, like I said, I think I'm on level 13 now, but I'm going to play to level 20 anyway. It gets good. So it's the kind of thing you can do, I think, for your strategic mind. So I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you at our Zoom at noon.